de chuig de ceacht Gaeilge inniu an luúin agus tá sé an cúgú lá de bhí fiara. Táid chun an scéal Daedalus agus Icarus a dhéanamh. Or the Daedalus, Níl Cínte. It's a Greek, it's a story of a mythical story from Greece on Greg. And I'm just going to run through the new vocabulary. So on Grian, the sun, Fuilon, seagull, Shkihan, wings, on Mach, the son, on Tahar, the father, Kian Tarov, bull's head, Ulfeist means monster, comes from the word peist, which is worm in Irish, and ul meaning large or super. Like an Ulvarga is a supermarket. Ul skull is the word for college, so like large school. On Lubra is the maze or labyrinth. On Chair is the wax. Ilin is an island. Cleti are feathers. And Cohorts is spare high in the sky. And then in the two speech bubbles, Tá Icarus ag rá, Ispralum vet ag etalt, I love to fly. And then Tá Daedalus ag rá, Ná té cóngrach don rian mór leifi an chair. Don't go close to the sun because the wax will melt. So tá three ceistan an seo, three questions. Hatan an scéal leat, do you like the story? So after you hear it, you're either going to say hatan an scéal lum, I like it, or near hatan an scéal lum. Iver though an will an scéal bronach céin fá. So is it a sad story? You, after you hear it, will decide, and you could say tá an scéal bronach mar, M-A-R. It is a sad story because, and then give your reason. Or you could say níl scéal bronach, or níl an scéal bronach mar. No, it's not a sad story because, but you must give a reason why you think it either way. Agus iver 3, céin fá a bhór Icarus boss. Why did Icarus die? So you're going to say fuair Icarus boss mar, and again M-A-R means because in Irish, and you're going to say why you think he died in your own words as Gaeilge. So tá mé chun an scéal a léamh in it, or an ancient díobh. I'm going to tell you the story. The Búna Cainte website and online content, because this is the first year of the Búna Cainte Ranga Cuaig, there's no even Ranga Sé book, because it's the first year of it, they just to explain, they put up the content kind of monthly and kind of where they expect you to be, and we're just slightly ahead of where they're expecting us to be. The story is just ahead of the stuff they have uploaded, so I just had to kind of go with some of the stuff from the chapter to write this version of the story myself, and also using what I know from the comprehension that you got today. So there should be enough information here to help you with any of the pages in the Irish book this week though, okay? So you can always come back to this tutorial, pause it, because I've got it all translated for you here. So yeah, so it should be okay for you. So it starts off, Fadó bhí ulfeist grána ina chónaí Ilen sa Gréig. So once upon a time, or long ago, there was an ugly monster living on an island in Greece. Sa Gréig. Bhí ceann Tarabéir. He had the head of a bull, or he had a bull's head. Chur in ulfeist grána scanra an down Lán Dini. The monster really scared a lot of people. He scanra an down, so the world's fear. Okay, really scared. Láháin chur an rí fis Daedalus. So one day the king sent for Daedalus. That's how you say to send for somebody. Chur an rí fis Daedalus. You're seeing a lot of underlined red words because the computer doesn't realise that the Irish is spelt right, that it's not a misspelt English word. Far an chlichte abba Daedalus. Daedalus was a very clever man. An chlichte. Bhí Mach óg ega. He had a young son, Icarus ab anam dó. So Icarus was his name. Tá fatíis Lán Dini riv an ulfeist. So a lot of people were scared when they came before the monster. So this is what the king is saying. So I'll put it in speech marks. The king says to Daedalus, Dain lubra more than ulfeist. Make a large maze for the monster. So that's kind theorach, direct speech. And then this is what Daedalus says back. Dain fi me lubra. I will make a maze. Rinne de Dalis luber mór agus chuig an olfeist isteach ann, so de Dalis made a large maze and the monster went inside it. Bhí an rí anna sásta. The king was very happy. Cheap daoine go raibh de Dalis agus Icarus mór léachra. People thought that de Dalis and Icarus were heroes for what they'd done. Lá bháin tháinig fear ab anam Theseus though. So one day a man called Theseus came. But what leis an olfeist a bharú? He wanted to kill the monster. Carrick de Dalis an fear chun an olfeist a bharú. So de Dalis that should be leis an fear, sorry. So Carrick de Dalis leis an fear chun an olfeist a bharú. So de Dalis helped the man to kill the monster. Rinne de Dalis é sin mór bhí sé chóir tuile clú agus cáil. So he did this because he was on the pursuit, or he wanted more fame. Clú and cáil both mean like fame or renown. Nuair chúla an rí cad a chorla bhí farag an down air. So when the king heard what had happened, he was very angry. Chur sé de Dalis agus Icarus I brisún ar an uileán leis an lubre. So the king imprisoned de Dalis and Icarus on the island with the maze. Ní raibh cead ag de Dalis agus Icarus an tuileán a ágáil, so they weren't allowed to leave. Lá bháin nuair bhí de Dalis ag fécant ar na hain, or ar na fuileán, the seagulls, ag eitilt, bhí smaoine fíorchluiste aige. That could be fíorchluiste níl cínta. Sorry, I never translated that, so I'll do that now. So it basically means one day when de Dalis was looking at the birds flying, he had a very clever idea. Okay, so that's what that basically means, and I'll change the colour of it to show the English. So this was his rinne sé scíthán dó féin agus Icarus. So he made wings for himself and for Icarus. Dúsáid sé céir agus cletzí chun na scíthán a chruthú. He used wax and feathers to create the wings. D'eitilt na féir go chóir sa spéir, so the men flew high in the sky. Is brawl an bheith ag eitilt, said Icarus. I love flying, said Icarus. Ná té congracht don ghrian mór léifí an chéir. Don't go too close to the sun or the wax will melt. Rinne Icarus dearmid ar chorla a ahar. Chuig Icarus congracht don ghrian agus de bhrí sin bhris na scíthán. So Icarus forgot his father's advice, chorla a ahar. Chuig sé congracht don ghrian, he went too close to the sun, and because of this, de bhrí sin bhris na scíthán, the wings broke. Hit sé isteach san uisce agus fuair sé bás. He fell into the water and he died. Bhí de Dalis críomhrichte mór fuair a bhach bás. De Dalis was heartbroken, críomhrichte, because his son had died. Okay, so that is the scale. It's there in this tutorial, so you can pause to get answers throughout the week from this tutorial if you need answers, and it's all translated for you. So now you can go back and decide, well, do I like that story? Hatton on scale lum. You can say Hatton or near Hatton on scale lum. Tá an scale bronach mór or níl an scale bronach mór. And then for Icarus boss mór dethilte ro congracht don ghrian. So you're doing that page, lana céad truc is a cúig inniu, and then you're going to also do céad truc is a sé. So you can see here, this is part of the story that I have. So again, you can look at my story to help you with any of the blanks that you're finding difficult, but you have to fill in the blanks. Lean the Barney. So Scaly is like storyteller or narrator. Ree is king, and de Dalis we know is the character. So it's kind of like you're doing like a script, who's reading what part. So the Scaly is saying, or the narrator, Fadó vi olfeist grona in a choni blank sa chreg. So long ago there was a ugly monster living on what in Greece? And here are your words that you can choose from. An sauce, the sconra, ulfeist, more, ilin, og, riv, do, de delis, and lubra. So you can check back to my story to find out the answer. You can use the picture on page 135 to help you, and you'll be able to see that this guy, the Minotaur or the Ulfeis Grona, was in a honi Ilin, sa Greg. Then vi ceann Taraver, chur an Ulfeis Grona, something on down Dini. How did you make them feel? So pick amach on mochuchan and seo. Pick out the emotion and seo. Chur an Ulfeis Grona, sorry, yeah, rinne, me sin. Law 1, chur an ri fis what? So one day the king sent for who or whom? Pick one of the words here. Far annachlichte aba de delis, so he's a very clever man. Vi mock something ega. What kind of a son did he have? Again, it's in my story, if you want to go back and check. Icarus ab anam what? So how do you say was his name? To say it's my name, you say ab anam dum or is anam dum. Ditch for you, D for her, doing for us, Div for ye, and Doi for them. So what's his name? Then down here, what did the re say? Tá fatish lán dini something on ulfish. So this is another word for scared. Scanra or fatish. A lot of people are scared before the when they come before the monster. So you can check my story for the word for before, or you can check back to the page you did on Friday, I think it was. No, you did Trassin something. The day, was it Wednesday, when you did page 132, where they just spoke about the, with, at, before, in, and you'll see the word for before is down here. Dane Lubra something done ulfeist. What type of maize does he want for this ulfeist? Then Daedalus is saying, Dane fi may, so I will make what? And then rinne Daedalus Lubra more agus cuig on something isteach ann. So Daedalus made a large, big maze, and what went into it? Pick your answer. And then V on re, what? How is he feeling, the king, after all this happened? That's an Port seo. Bun on Lahnach. You have to, it's the phrase Níl cead agat something ágáil. You do not have permission, you do not agat to leave. And then they want you to name all the different places from the pictures. So Níl cead agat, what is this? Is it on Hala, on Tillan, on Cashlán, on Lubra, on Linsnava? You pick where it is at ágáil. You're not allowed to leave. Well, it's an island on Tillan at ágáil. You're not allowed to leave the island, even though Níl cead agat something at ágáil. And then Neelam Kincha, I can't see it. Is it a classroom there? Is it Shomaranga? Then you've got ever 3 Neil Kiadagot. What room would this be? Neil Kiadagot, so the thing that Daedalus made for the monster at Ágáil. You're not allowed to leave it. Neil Kiadagot, something at Ágáil. So where we play at break time. Ever say Neil Kiadagot, something at Ágáil. Haven't been to one of them in a while. What is it? Let me just have a little look. Yeah. Iver seach níl cead agat something ágáil. So what is this here? Again, they're all down here. Níl cead agat something ágáil, and then again the phrases repeat. So on Hala the hall, on Tillan the island, on Cashlán the castle, on Lubra the maze, on Linsnava the swimming pool, on Ifig the office, on Teach the house, on Close the yard, on Shomaranga the classroom, and on Laurelin the library. So gá leathnach chun a dhéanamh new 2 pages to do today. So you have to listen to the story, like I read. There's some of the words you might need. Answer these questions about the story, whether you liked it, was it sad, how did Icarus die. You need to write out the part of the story here and fill in the missing words using these words here. Again, go back and pause my story if you need help. And then you're filling in the phrase, you are not allowed to leave but you have to put in the place for each sentence that the person's not allowed leave. Sin é le haid an luan, Tásúla gom nach meid sé roiachar, I hope it's not too hard. I'm really sorry that the content isn't up on the website yet. As soon as I know that it's up, I'll let you know that it's up, and you can hear the story read out on that interactive website. Look bon trílas agus tá ámór. Good luck agus slán.